What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Central Florida Fishermen. So right now I'm seasoning up a Blackstone, getting that thing ready. We're going to the islands tomorrow. We're gonna run my brother-in-law's offshore boat out and do a little running with it and keeping it in tune until he gets back. But today we went to some airboat races, Airboat Rodeo, out in the marsh, out Lake Poinsett area, and it was a blast. Super fun, met a lot of great people. Hopefully some new contacts we can get together with and maybe do some filming with. But super fun day. I did get a little sunburnt. I've been out now yesterday all day long fishing, all day long today out on the marsh running airboats around, and tomorrow gonna be out on the boat all day long hitting islands and having fun out there. But I'm gonna play you some footage now of today, and hopefully you like it, and hopefully you think about, if you're up this way, stopping out and watching the next one. Super fun organization and a bunch of great people. But let's get to that video. Alright, so we're out here at the Airboat Rodeo. So I want to introduce you guys to Thomas Jr. here. He just started a YouTube channel.
How you guys doing?
And what's your channel name?
Florida Outdoorsman channel.
So Florida Outdoorsman channel. I'll go ahead and put a link to that below so you guys can check him out. Lots of hog hunting, out there running dogs, just having fun.
Yep.
But getting ready to start the races here. So let's see what we can do and see who's got the best handling and running boat here. the Airboat Rodeo, and we hold 3 a year.
3 a year, Indian River County, Brevard County, and Osceola County. It's pretty much 1, 2, and 3 positions. We have stuff for sale. You can buy memorabilia. You can come out and just have a good time with your friends. Have a good time, watch everybody. We'll just be here and let's do it.
That's it. I'll walk you guys around there and show you the tent where they got stuff for sale. But just really cool boats out here. A lot of fun, a lot of good people. Even got some mud boats up here stuck up in the side because they can't run up in here.
Junior going?
I'm gonna walk down through here and show you some of the boats we got out here.
White background?
I mean, there's just some beautiful boats. A lot of money and toys out here. Hey, how's it going? Good, how you guys doing? Good. Mud boats out there. You all know I'm a big fan of mud boats. Any of that John boat stuff. I mean, pretty good turnout. Pretty good turnout to the old rodeo. Brevard County Airboat Association. That's it. A lot of good people. A lot of nice boats, everybody just out here enjoying the day. And anybody can come out here, you know. You come out here, support these guys, donate. They do a lot for the river and a lot for the county. And it's all about fun.
There you go. Thank you. Your money.
then we got Chad Smalley from Indian River at 1.11. He gets 60 bucks.
Who was doing the time? That's what I want.
There you go, big money. And then Trey Gardner from Indian River at 1.02 gets the big $120.
And everybody is going, go figure. He wins
That's
again.
it. Hey, you guys slide together and get a picture.
That money right there. Must be nice to weigh 110 pounds and.
Man.
I feel pretty good.
You guys are officially uninvited to our next event. No, thanks for coming. Seriously. Thank you guys.
But we ain't made it back to the house yet.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. Hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.